so this is about cleaning the vacuum cleaner.
Okay, so this one is just, I don't even know what kind of vacuum this is, but they all have filters, and you kind of,
and they typically all look like this for some crazy reason.
Okay, this is, and they should not, it affects the suction of them.
Right.
But when
so
they get
what do you
caked
do?
up, you gotta take it up, and then you go outside and bang the crap out of it.
You bang the
And
you
then,
bang it.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, it is, but it needs to be cleaned out.
Okay.
So actually, I'm gonna do it.
So, all right, do it in the bag.
And then you gotta wash it afterwards.
All right, and you want to wash it. So the main thing, guys, is that when you have a vacuum cleaner, pretty much every single time you use it,
No.
check the filter just to make
Well,
sure.
yeah, if you have
You know, it's not grimy or dirty.
Yep.
I mean, you don't have to do it every time, but check it.
Check it.
Just to make sure kind of where you're at. And
It'll-
if it needs a bit of a clean it.
Yeah.
Because it makes a huge difference on the performance of the vacuum, the suction, and, you know, ultimately it reflects on the company, how you look. So it's just a simple thing, just clean the filter, and if there's any issues with the vacuum, you know, let someone in the office know
And there's
that
another
there's an
filter
issue.
on this one.
Oh,
See,
this one has
look
an
at-
extra
most
filter.
of them do have two filters. Now this looks clean.
So that looks really clean.
Yeah, so that's good. And so it must, well, that doesn't look so
No,
good.
the back side's the
But it's
one.
not, doesn't need to be replaced yet.
Yeah, so that's not too bad. So that's the other, you know, you're taking a look.
You can get a little bit out, but no, that's not.
That's not too bad.
Not too bad, but you can definitely.
All
Yeah,
right, so
okay.
I do realize I made a mistake. I should have done this as a horizontal landscape versus a portrait.
Well, now I'll double back.
I'm gonna have to do the whole
I have to
thing
vacuum the whole house again.
I know, anyway, let's do it.
What?
And now it's only like 1 o'clock in the morning about
Oh
it.
gosh, look. Now which way did I put this in here?
Oh, and see, that's another thing is, no,
No, the other way.
flip it around. You gotta know what you're doing, people.
People.
People. All right, there you go. All right. So if you have any questions, comments, please don't call us. Bye-bye.